okay. The little one has the hiccups again. Hey? Ooh. Let's see what Mittens has to say. Hey, Mittens? Bleh. Hope they go away soon. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my.